This is the delicate moment. Yeah. Hey, there we go.
Teammates don't know anything about it, so the slagging will start very soon on the WhatsApp groups, I'm sure. But no, I'm sure I will get plenty of slagging about it. But look, I think it's a reflection of Kilkenny hurling, and we had an amazing time. And it was brilliant to be part of that. And this again just adds to that journey. So I suppose I was truly honoured, to get the call. So I had to double check it 2 times. I had to speak to my wife at home, and once we spoke about it, it was a no-brainer. Absolutely honoured, and I'm still buzzing since that day, and I'm absolutely delighted with how it's turned out. What I achieved on the field has been reflected in the portrait, and of course it is kind of rounds off an amazing career for myself to be here in the National Gallery. But as well as that, I would speak for my teammates. I'd love if so many more of them could be with me, and that's something I was always mindful during my career, was that without them I wouldn't have been as successful. So I'm here, I'm in the portrait, but I would hope I reflect all the teammates I played with as well.
Well, I suppose when I first got the commission, I was kind of eager to get to know Henry and kind of understand more about his background and his family life and things. So I spent some time visiting him in Ballyhale, seeing his home club and kind of seeing the area, seeing like his family's pub and where he lives, and I tried to kind of get a sense of Henry as an individual as well as an athlete, So I hope that kind of shows through in the painting.
It's an amazing job. I suppose it captures